Let's create stat keys to actuate the gripper. In iiQWorks.AppBuilder, in the KUKA file tree, right-click on UserTech Media and select Add File in order to import images. We will use the .png images for the stat keys and the .svg as iiQWorks.Sim icon. In the KUKA file tree, right-click on the UserTech folder. Select Create a new UT configuration. Name your application and application key. Click on the Configure Application icon. We will need 2 stat keys. One to open the gripper and one to close it. Add the script to link to each stat key. Change the name of the script by clicking on Configure. Right-click on the script and select Add SetVar action. Configure the action to change the value of $out 100. Add 2 stat keys. Click on Configure. Name the key. Then link the script to call when the stat key is pressed. Add images. Set the permission group to Operation TP so all roll from user and above can use the stat keys. Add the second stat key. Add a stat key bar. Configure it with the keys previously created. Save the KUKA and export it. Deploy it to the instance. Start iiQWorks.Sim simulation with execution mode remote view and simulation mode attach only. Open the WebUI. Request the single point of control. Use the stat keys to actuate the gripper directly from the WebUI.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.